La 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 la.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Seeds of Science. We're so glad you came out to our show. Say, how many of you here like plants? Great. And how many of you have grown a plant before? Wow, that's wonderful. And say, how many of you have eaten a plant before? Good. Looks like some of us are eating our veggies, right, Mom and Dad? Well, in today's episode of Seeds of Science, we're going to learn all about our plant friends. You might even say, we're going out on a limb. But a little bit more about this show. Right now, you and I and all of us are aboard a big sailboat, and it's called the HMS Science. It's a magical ship that can take us anywhere at any time. Want to go visit the dinosaurs? Rah! No problem. Want to go see the pyramids or even go to the moon? Well, then let's go! And aboard this ship are some of my friends. Come on, I'll introduce you. This is my best friend, Barry the robot. He doesn't say much, but he gets his point across with this. And this little guy here, this is Sergio. He's the ship's cook. He used to be king on his home planet, but he had to leave because he's a big goofball. So he lives here now on the ship. And this is the science crew. Roger here is really, really smart and knows all about the universe. And Lily, she knows a lot of neat stuff about the ocean. And Sophia over there, well, she's a biologist. So she can tell us all kinds of stuff about plants and animals, ew, and bugs. Ugh. This is the captain. Yeah, he's been sailing this ship for so long, he's actually grown into it. Imagine, he's part of a boat now. He comes down to the galley from time to time to say hello. And me? Well, I'm Lottie Soul, and I'm a lot like you. I've got a mom and homework, and when I grow up, I'm going to be a famous drummer. And I get here to the ship through that portal over there. It takes me all the way to my attic in Cleveland, Ohio, the best city ever. All right, everyone. Now that you've met everybody, are you all ready to branch out and learn about plants? I said, are you all ready to learn about plants? Then let's start the show.
La 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 la. You're not content with easy answers. Welcome aboard. Cast off and sail a sea of science. Sail a sea of science.
More breakfast for the scientists. Coming up.
Wow, this is really crunchy. Breakfast, Sergio, what is it?
You scientists, you crack me up. It's an egg omelet, but Sergio made it special and put the whole egg in, including the shell. Sergio, the cook for the ship. Sergio knows what you like to eat. Barry, the The portal! She's alive!
All right, Cleveland portal's been activated. That means Marisol's coming to see us.
Oh, Marisol, it sure is fun when she visits. I wonder what questions she's going to be bringing us from Cleveland. Oh, hey, gang. Hey, the world seems to be messing up again because all that travel through space-time seemed to nearly crush the houseplant that I wanted to bring you. Let me see.
Hey, Marisol, what's a shaking, baby? Your plant? She's dead.
Can you believe it? Another plant dead. What's wrong with me that I can't keep my plants alive?
Looks like you got the black tongue to me, kid. Stay away from Sergio with that bad juju.
The black thumb.
Yeah, it's like the green tongue, but opposite. Instead of making things grow, you killed it.
Oh, I don't have the black thumb. That's just an expression.
Oh, really? How many plants you had before this one?
Well, I had the sunflower, and the tomato plant, and the basil plant, oh, and then those aquatic plants, and now this one?
Sounds like you got the black tongue to me, kid.
Oh no! But what do I do?
Marisol, it's okay. Have you thought about learning about your plants? There's a lot you can learn about the biology of the plants to help you understand how they grow.
Well, I've been putting it out in the sunlight and giving it water. It's a good start, Marisol, but plants also need care and attention.
Ooh, and what do you know about photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that happens inside a plant. It's how they make their food.
Hey, scientist, why don't you give us more of the dirt on the plants?